I'm Ayushi Gupta and let's get started. First we are starting with priming our skin. For this I'm using the Swiss Beauty's Pearl Primer and also you can call Post Zero Primer. For foundation I'm using the Swiss Beauty Snapshot Ready HD Foundation and blending it with the beauty blender, a triangular beauty blender. I don't know the brand of this beauty blender. I got in my class and I love it so much. It goes all the corners of my face and it's so fluffy and soft. I will let you know in some days. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm sorry, I'm applying it with my brush because I want to apply right now with the brush. I just want to directly uplifting technique. I want to do it, so I'm applying with my brush. Just that. After that, I'm blending it with the same beauty blender that we used in the foundation right now. So blending it very well. Nose area, hyperpigmentation area and under eye area. Setting my base, I'm using the Fit Me's loose powder and applying with the same beauty blender. As you can know, I'm using this single beauty blender in 3 different products. Anybody can imagine that? Yeah, I can imagine that. I'm doing it. I love using single products with different types of, with the different techniques, with the different areas or whatever it is. I love to use that. I'm taking this makeup fixer of Swiss Beauties and this brow shaper and spraying some fixer on my brow shaper and setting my brows just like it, just setting it on upwards in a trendy style. I'm taking this brown gel liner and an angled brush and fill in my brows where I see the gaps, just like it, just a minimum and you are done. I'm taking now Revolution palette and this light brown color and applying on my crease, just blending it out. I'm just doing this a base color, and if you want to try different color, you can also try different colors, but I like this. I love it actually. It's just same as my crease line. That I'm taking the small fluffy brush and this dark maroon color and applying on my outer corners of my crease, just like it, as you can see, and blending it with the same brush. Now taking with this pink glitter color with the same Revolution palette and applying on my inner corners, as you can see. Now I'm applying the brown gel liner as a liner. It's just a small, just a bit of, we don't want sharp eyes, we just want smooth and soft because we are going to do something with our lips. So I'm smudging the brown gel liner with the small flat brush. We don't want to sharp, as I said, so we are smudging it. I'm taking the same small brush and applying on my lower lash line the same brown dark maroon color as we took on our outer corners and applying on my lower lash line, just on the outer corners, not bit on inner corners. Now I'm applying the Glam 21 mascara. I will give you all the description of the products down in the description box, so you can check it out. You can feel free to buy from that. After I'm applying the mascara, I'm applying the lashes. So lashes is done. It's time for blusher. I'm using the Giordani's Bleens blusher and applying blusher on my cheekbones, and in this look I want to also apply on my nose, so I look also cute with sexy. So yeah. For highlighter, I'm using the NYX powder highlighter and applying on my cheekbones, my nose and my forehead and also my chin. So for lining my lips, I'm using the brown color and lining my lips. Before I'm using the red lipstick. I'm doing this because it gives my lips to a texture and it looks so good. So yeah, I lined my lips with brown color, so it's time for red lipstick. So yeah, look at that. It looks so good. I don't know why when I fall in love with red lipstick, I think right now. No, I already did a look when I applied. I did a lots of look when I applied the red lipstick, but in this look, I just love this lipstick. Look at that now. It looks so good, so smooth, so soft. As you can see, the look is complete. I wore the neck piece and I just tied my hair with the hairband, and that's it. So, how do you like this look? It's eyes so simple, but this lip is so good. So, if you like this look, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. So, see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay glam. Bye bye. Love you so much. Bye bye bye. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.